Alright everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be making our Doodle Player Do a Dash. So stay tuned, stick around, hope you enjoy. So covering a little bit of the groundwork. For starters, I have a dash flash that I just drew up and added to the player, but notice that I have it unchecked here because we don't want it active by default. And then I just made a little dash animation that'll activate it when we're dashing. Of course, it's a little too long, so we'll make it about half a second here, and that's better. Nice. Okay. So then back in our player object, I also added a particle system. It's pretty basic. It's just gonna play when we dash. It's just a little scatter effect. Looks like this here. And then in our check that again. And then in our player move script, notice I added a couple things here. We now have a dash power, a dash timer, and then of course our particle system. So opening up that move script, just notice that we have a couple new things added here. Dash power, dash timer, like we saw in the inspector, because they're public. Then a private float called current dash time, and a private float dash direction. A boolean is dashing. Public particle system, which is our dash particle system, and then a screen shake if you like to use it, but if you are using it, make sure you have that declared in the start function. So in our update function, we have a couple if statements here, basically just checking if we press L while our character is moving. Then we'll generate our screen shake. Set is dashing to true. Our current dash is going to be equal to the dash timer. And then we'll set our velocity to vector2.0 so it doesn't keep dashing forever and ever. And our dash direction is equal to our direction X that we set up in our previous video. And then if we're dashing, then our velocity is going to be our dash direction times our dash power times the transform.rate. We're going to call our dash effect particle system, and then our current dash time will count down, and then once it reaches 0, our current dash time equals 0, then we'll set our is dashing back to false. The only other thing I added here was if our dashing is true in our animation, we'll set that is dashing trigger. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So save that. We can go back to Unity. And go ahead and click that follow and sub if you guys are enjoying the content so far. Still loading, but we're just about done here. So these variables I set because it kind of worked for mine. You can, set yours to whatever fits your size and velocity and all that. And we'll go ahead and press play and try it out. Nice, it's working perfectly. Screen's vibrating a little bit, probably could go a little more, but our animation is playing and our player takes off. So that's pretty much it. That's all really there is to it. Everything else you can just kind of tweak from the inspector. But in less than 5 minutes, there you have it. And that is how we get our player to dash. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and sub if you haven't already. And until next time, guys, peace.